Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pretty simple today. I decided to do a smoky eye for you guys, so let's jump right in. If you want to see how to create it, please keep watching. To start off this look, I'm going to be going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Darkside Waterproof Gel Liner. I'm not really one to do a very heavy lash line, the bottom lash line, but today I kind of want to accentuate it because I'm going to be doing black. So let's start. So I'm just going to go in and smudge this in. And I'm not going to go all the way to the inner corner. I'm just going to kind of fade it a little, but not so dark. So now for my shadow, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's 35M Boss Mood Palette. And I'm going to be going in with Talk Dirty, just to blend that out, the bottom line black out a little bit. And I'm going to be using this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH42 tiny smudger brush. And smudge it in with the black. Then I'm going to be going in with Sparks Fly to deepen that up a little bit more, and after that, Black Magic. On the same brush, I'm just going to keep using the same brush every time. Just clean it off. This one's going to stay closer to the lash line. I'm going to make sure you bring out these colors a little bit too. And then in with some of that Black Magic. Then I'm going to go in with this JH39 clean pencil brush. And I'm going to go back in with Talk Dirty, just a little bit of Talk Dirty. And just make sure that bottom doesn't have any crazy line happening. I just want it to blend out. So my lids have already been primed and set, and I'm going to go in with this JH37 blending brush and take some of that Black Magic. I'm going to start by blending on my lid, but keeping it close to the lash line. That's where the darkness is going to come from. And then blending it upwards. So we're going to come back to this black, but I'm going to be going in with Sparks Fly on my JH36 blending brush. And blend that out onto my lid as well. Blend that right into the black. Just making sure that shadow is even on your lid. Then I'm going to take some of this Sultry Ways and pop that on my lid. And blend that out with the brush that you had Black Magic on. And again with Sparks Fly. So next I'm going to be going in with some lashes, and I'm going to be going in with Luxy Lash in Eazy Duz It. Now for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. And just kind of covering up any powder that's existing. So now to bronze up my face, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. I and I'm going to be going in with Shadester and Shadowy. I'm going to take this on my JH03 brush. I'm also going to go in with Shadester on my Sigma E45 tapered brush and just contour my nose a little bit. Just like that, and using my brush that I used to set my under eyes. For my blush, I'm going to go in with Morphe's 8C Cool Pro palette. And I'm going to be going in with Ego on my Sigma F15 brush. If you ever put on too much blush, which I feel like I did, just go ahead and kind of diffuse it with your powder brush. And now for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's Super Shock Cheek in Thimble. I'm going to go in with my JH06 brush. Then going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. Just gonna make sure to get the nose. I'm also gonna grab my JH39 brush and put that color on my brow bone and my inner corner. And my cupid's bow. So lastly, for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with Pop Beauty's Permanent Pout in Razzle Rose. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Leave any questions you have or your thoughts on this look below in the comments, as well as any requests for future looks. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.